Assalamu alaikum dear student, how are you all? I hope you are all fine. Today we are going to start the reading of Social Studies class 3, unit number 4. Jobs we do. What are jobs? When you work regularly to earn money, it means you are doing a job. When we are young, we should study hard so that we get good jobs. When we grow up in good jobs, we are paid well. We are also paid on time. People work to earn money. They need this money to fulfill their needs. We all have needs. Our children needs books, toys, video, games. Adults need a house, TV, car. Some adults need fancy clothes. Some need fast cars, etc. In order to get all these things, we need money. That is why adults do jobs. It is very important that we do our jobs well. We should work honestly and we should be hard working. Everyone loves those who work well. In this picture, they are all doing their jobs. People at work. Different jobs in the same field. In each field, there are many people doing different jobs. Here are a few of these. Field of education. A teacher teaches the student while a principal controls and manages the affairs of a school. Students study in school. Teacher, principal, student. Field of medicine. In the field of medicine, doctor and nurses are the main figures. The doctors examining the patients and the nurses helps the doctor. Patients go to doctor to get well. Doctor, nurse, patient. Why do some people wear uniform? Sometimes to show that someone is part of an organization. She has to wear a uniform. The policemen, soldiers, nurses, students all have to wear uniforms. Policemen, soldiers. Now we are doing our exercise. Question answer. Question number 1. What is meant by a job? When you work regularly to earn money, it means you are doing a job. Question number 2. Why do people need money? People need money to fulfill their needs. We all have needs. Our children need books, toys, video games, etc. Question number 3. Why should we do our jobs well? Answer. Everyone loves those who work well. It is very important that we work hard and honestly. Question number 4. Why do we wear a uniform? Answer. We wear a uniform to show that someone is part of an organization. She has to wear a uniform. The policeman, soldier, nurses, student all have to wear uniforms. Question number 5. Who are the main figures in the field of medicine? In the field of medicine, doctors and nurses are the main figures. The doctors examine the patients and the nurse help the doctors. Write the true and false for the correct sentence and false for the incorrect sentence. We should study hard so that we can relax when we grow up. False. People enjoy being paid well. True. Adults do jobs to fulfill their needs. True. We wear uniform to show off. False. Parents have to wear uniforms at home. False. Okay dear student, thank you.